Good morning students. Last day we have discussed concept of cylinder and 3 questions of exercise 13.2. Today we have to start question number 4, which says that the diameter of a roller is 84 cm and its length is 120 cm. It takes 500 complete revolutions to make once over to level a playground. Question is to find the area of playground in meters square. So you see here, diameter of roller is given to you, it's 84 cm. So first we will have to calculate its radius, which is diameter by 2. So 84 by 2 is 42 cm. Now length of the roller, which is considered as height also, it is given 120 cm. So length of roller is given to you 120 cm. Now you see, suppose it is roller, if it is moving in the playground, you think carefully that in one revolution, which portion of the cylinder or which portion of the roller is touching the ground is its curved surface area. When in one complete revolution, you can see one time curved surface area is touching the ground. So can I write area of ground covered in one revolution is curved surface area of roller? Curved surface area of roller is 2 pi RH. So, in 500 revolution, how much area of playground will be covered? It is 500 multiplied by 1 time curved surface area of roller. So, here I have multiplied 500 with the curved surface area. So, 2 pi RH, 2 into 22 by 7. Radius we have calculated 42 cm. And height or length of the roller is also given to you. It is 120 cm. So, when you calculate it, you will get 1584 and 40 centimeters square. So, but the question says you have to give the area of playground in meters square. So, this centimeter square can be written as centimeter into centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter, and another centimeter is also 1 by 100 meter. If you will cancel these two 0 and these two 0 like this, you will get 1584 meters square. This is the area of playground. Now see question number 5, which says that a cylindrical pillar is 50 cm in diameter and 3.5 meter in height. Find the cost of painting the curved surface area of the pillar at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. So here you can see diameter of the pillar is given to you 50 cm. So first we will calculate its radius by dividing it by 2. So we have 25 cm. 25 cm when converted into meter, you will get 0.25 meter. Height is given 3.5 meter. We have to color its curved surface area. So first let us calculate curved surface area. So it is 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.25, which is radius, multiplied by 3.5 meter, which is height. When you calculate it, you will get 11 by 2 meters square. So cost of painting is given 12.50 rupees for each meter square. So it will be multiplied with 11 by 2. You will get rupees 68.75 for the cost of painting. Now let us move to question number 6. Question number 6 says, curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 4.4 meters square. If the radius of the base of the cylinder is 0.7 meter, we have to find its height. So here I wrote curved surface area of cylinder is 4.4 meters square. Radius is given 0.7 meter. We have to find its height. So let us use the formula of curved surface area. It is 2 pi RH. We don't know the value of h. Except h, everything we know. It is 2 by 22 by 7 and radius 0.7. Multiplied by h is equal to 4.4. So by leaving h this side, remaining all the numbers will move that side. This 7 will go in the numerator and 2 into 22 into 0.7 will come in the denominator. By removing this decimal, we can write here 10, and by removing this decimal, we can write there 10. This 10 will get cancelled, 7 will get cancelled. Here 22 get cancelled. So everything is getting cancelled. So h is equal to 1 meter. Now let us move to the next question. Question number 7 says, the inner diameter of a circular well is 3.5 meter. It is 10 meter deep. We have to find its inner curved surface area and the cost of plastering its curved surface area at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. So here inner diameter is given to you, which is 3.5 meter. So first we will calculate its radius, which is 3.5 by 2. Depth of the well is given to you. Depth will be considered as height also. So it is 10 meter. First, inner curve surface area. We can apply the formula 2 pi RH. If you will calculate like this, you will get 110 meters square. And for its cost, simply it has to be multiplied with rupees 40. The curve surface area, you will get the cost of plastering. It is 4400 rupees. Now move to question number 8. Now see question number 8, which says that in a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter and diameter 5 centimeter. Question is to find the total radiating surface of the system. So here length of the pipe is given to you 28 meter, which can be converted into centimeter, or you can keep it in meter as well. Diameter is given 5 centimeter, so radius will be 5 by 2. So it is 2.5 centimeter. So total radiating surface means total surface area of the cylindrical pipe. We will calculate it, and we know the formula 2 pi r h plus r. So we can put the values. It is 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.5. Height or length of the pipe is 2800 plus 2.5. When these two will be added, we got 2802.5. And when you calculate it, you will get 44,039.28 centimeter square. When it is converted into meter square, we will get 4.4 meter square. Now you see question number 9.